Hello everybody, welcome to the first episode of Weekend Wednesday. Now what is Weekend Wednesday? Well, it's basically a vlog of my weekend, but uploaded on Wednesday. You might be asking yourself, why am I uploading my weekend on Wednesday? Well, I'm actually working Saturdays, so Sunday, Monday my weekend, so it gives me Monday to edit the vlog and upload it. So right now, I'm just looking to it.
Thousand years later.
Hello everybody, as you can see I'm finished work now. It's about 8 o'clock at night. I finished a long time ago, but I've just been chilling. Had some food, playing some games, that sort of stuff. We're now packing the bike, getting ready to go camping tomorrow. We're just going for a night, but we're going about 4.5 hours away, going down past Glasgow. So it should be still quite a good adventure. But as I say, we need to get our bikes packed. I'm going to try and see if I can do a service on the Tenere before we go. And then also I've got a rack for the back of the Triumph. Goes on here, so I can, same as this, same Givey rack. So I can use the same box as I use on that, on his bike here. Which would be helpful just for back and forth to work, that sort of thing. But I'll see if I've got time. The service isn't due yet, so if I can't get it done before we go, then it's fine. I'll just get it done for you. Sorry, when we come back. For those wondering what we're using to pack, I have the Rhino Lock, I can't remember the size, I'll check it on the screen. It's soft luggage side bags, and then the Oxford, again, I think it's 7 litre, that's what it says on it, Aqua C7 crash bar bags. I had a bit of an issue here with my right side bag. It's touched off my exhaust over there. I've got this little panel thing from Rhino Lock, it goes over your exhaust. So we'll try and check that out and see if that hopefully fixes it. So this TV top lock's very cool. It's a soft one. It's water resistant, it's not quite waterproof. It comes with this inner lining, which you put your stuff in, and when you get to the site you take the whole thing out. It's super easy. Just packing the bike up, got my little helper, and yeah, come and say hello. Oh, you turn your head, okay. We'll play with brother. These bags, Rhino Locks, pretty insane. It's a Coyote 3 tent from OEX. Both halves, comes in 2 halves, both halves in one pannier. It's crazy, so still got all room in the top box, all room in the outside, huge bag. Hello, so that's the bike kind of mostly packed now. I just want to show you guys a slightly less practical thing I take with me. It is, one second, my Canon AE1 program, so it's a 35mm film camera, my baby. I've got the 35 to 100 lens on it, it's like the ideal lens, do a bit of everything. Fantastic film camera. I took some photos up for my trip away to Paris, which is actually where I bought this. Bought it in Paris. Well, it wasn't in Paris, it was in a small village in Normandy. Bought it. But yes, my baby. So another thing I'm taking, I've not actually used yet, is this quick boil. As far as I'm aware, it's just basically a off-brand jet boil. Outdoor store locally to us is shutting down. Massive sale on. So I managed to pick it up pretty cheap. So I'm going to take it with us this trip and see how we get on. Right, so that's 90% of stuff back. We'll pack the rest in the morning, stuff that needs to charge. And real quick we get an oil change on the Tenere and adjust and move my chain. Maybe change my brake fluid, I'm not sure I'll have time, I'll see how I'm getting on. And managed it without moving any crash bars, which is okay. There you go, so I've managed to remove the main skid plate here to give me access to my oil filter and drain plug. One thing I realised I forgot to say, make sure you warm your bike up first before you drain the oil. It'll make it a lot thinner and a lot easier to drain. It'll make sure you get all of it, rather than leaving a bunch of old oil in there. Finish my oil change. We've got a little helper. Oh, I can't even see you. Can't even see you. You match for darkness. You do. Now you're looking yourself. Classic. So in the end, I had to put the Rhino Walk protector on the exhaust, as this bag was touching a bit. You can see everywhere it's touching the bag, the plate now covers, which is good. So hopefully no mounted bags. Other side obviously no exhaust, it's fine. So that is her pretty much loaded up. I need to find somewhere for my jet boat to go. But for the most part, loaded up and ready for her voyage tomorrow. Good morning, it is 7:15 in the morning. We're just about to get packed up and ready to go. So we're about an hour and a half away, if you can even hear me, and we've stopped at a petrol station because we're going to run out of petrol. So, a lovely lady. Petrol station. I missed it. It was a really nice Cadillac I just pulled up. A bit left. So, but about to get back on the road. Hello everybody, so I haven't been very good at filming today. We basically got to the campsite, had a bit of a rest once we got everything set up, and then I headed into town to get some gas and food. So we've eaten now. I had noodles with some sort of beef jerky and bits like that mixed into it. Phoebe had a pasta powder thing, and now I think I'm going to go on a walk.